To function properly, know that your heart, brain, muscles, and other essential organs depend on...
What?
Oops, there I go again. Sorry, let me start from the beginning. Hi there, welcome to Healthy Ladies Over 40. I'm just a girl trying to live a healthy life and share information on healthy living that I find along the way. Let's seek to live a long, healthy life together, shall we? Stick around till the end. Today, we talk about low-carb diets and how safe they are. There are always advertisements and special menus praising the benefits of the low-carb diet, whether you're at the grocery store, dining out, or just watching TV commercials during your favorite show.
They are, aren't they?
Yes, they are. The low-carbohydrate trend has taken the Western world by storm, with dieters searching for low-carb this and low-carb that, and many of them claiming to have lost weight as a result. Isn't that wonderful news? At last, a simple diet plan that helps you shed pounds while allowing you to consume a wide variety of foods as long as they are nearly free of carbohydrates.
Oh, that's great news!
You would think so, wouldn't you? However, ask yourself, have we actually struck gold, or are we just playing fool's gold? Is it a good idea to follow a low-carb diet to lose weight, or are there any potential negative health consequences associated with this diet?
I never even thought about that.
Well, let's get into it, shall we? Taking this into consideration, a lot of people have the mindset that there is no such thing as a miraculous diet, and this is equally true for those who are trying to lose weight, because quick fixes are highly valued in our society. The low-carb diet plan fits in perfectly with this mentality. While it is true that a significant amount of weight will be lost as the muscles and liver stores of glycogen, carbohydrate, are depleted, this weight loss is primarily due to water retention rather than fat loss, which is bad for body composition and general health. It's also true that when muscle glycogen is depleted, the body will turn to free fatty acids for energy. However, it will also depend much more on amino acids, protein, from the breakdown of lean muscle tissue. As a result, while burning fat, you will also burn more muscle. Remember, your heart is a muscle.
That's not good.
No, it's not. Furthermore, people following a low-carb diet tend to have lower energy levels and a shorter time to tiredness during physical exercise. Thus, any activity will probably be done for shorter periods of time. Hey, do you enjoy watching this video? Then give me a like and subscribe. Now back to the video. To function properly, know that your heart, brain, muscles, and other essential organs depend on carbs.
Really?
Yes, really. The most readily obtainable source of glucose, the primary energy source for the brain and central nervous system, is carbohydrates. The body attempts to preserve protein if carbs aren't accessible for a few days by partially burning fat to produce ketones, an alternative fuel source. The state of ketosis is brought on by the accumulation of these ketones in the blood as a result of the ongoing breakdown. Initially, the body loses water as a result of the kidneys trying to flush the body of extra ketones rather than fat.
Didn't know that.
Well, keep listening. Diets low in carbohydrates increase blood acidity, which can have unpleasant and potentially dangerous side effects such as headaches, poor breath, fatigue, and nausea.
This is bad.
Yup, you bet it is. Furthermore, the rate at which fat is digested decreases when the body's stocks of carbs are exhausted, indicating that carbohydrates are required for the body to properly metabolize fat. Furthermore, remember that calories, not carbs, are what cause fat. Therefore, the best way to lose weight is to simply modify your consumption of calories to be within the range that best suits your needs while maintaining the optimal ratio of nutrients. The truth is that starting a low-carb diet doesn't necessarily indicate it's a good, safe way to lose weight, even if you might seem to notice a reduction in general body weight in the initial stages. Remember, there is no substitute, and there will never be a good substitute to a good, sound nutritional plan, coupled with a moderate exercise plan, and making that plan a lifetime venture.
Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Now that we've talked about our brain for a bit, would you want to know foods that you can include in your diet that are good for your brain?
Well, yes, I would.
Just watch the video linked above or at the end of this video to find out. I will also link it down in the description box. Stay healthy, ladies. If you like what you see, subscribe, like the video, click the notification bell so that you are informed every time I post a new video. Bye.